It's Haley. I am back with part 2 of our Liz Claiborne lot haul. We just have this little section here and our necklace stand with some beauties to go through. And that will finish it up. Again, my email is, if you're interested, haliesjewelryandmore@gmail.com. That's HALIES, jewelryandmore@gmail.com. All one word. 10% off if you spend 50 or more before shipping. 10% off, and then 15% off if you spend 100 or more before shipping. You can go back to any of my videos, and I will hold items for up to 7 days if you want to combine, like, in case you want to, wait to see what's in the next video and combine shipping. Starts at $3.50 for up to 8 ounces, $4.50 for 16 ounces, which is a pound. Beyond that, it goes to a priority bubble mailer for $8, medium flat rate box for $13.50, a large flat rate box for $18.50. And yes, I think we got it all. Just let me know. Again, you can buy from any video. Let me know the title and either a screenshot. You can take a screenshot with your phone or use your phone or a camera to take a picture of a screen, whatever's easier, or the timestamp. Whenever you see something you like, pause it, and at the bottom of the screen it will say the exact time when the item is shown. So, take a deep breath, Haley. Let's get back to it. Let's look at these little earrings here. How freaking sweet are these? They have these like little gold stones in the front. Oops, there we go. And along the back on both of them. These are just so sweet. I love these. These are $16 suggested retail. So I will do them for $4. That is 75% off retail, my friends. And, oops, let's look at these. Okay, what do these say? Oh, these are $32. Look at these babies. Oh, yes, ma'am. Or sir, or you. I love these. Very well made. These have got some weight to them, so know that if your ears are really sensitive to weight. These are very nicely made, very good quality pieces. Yeah, these are awesome. I will do these for $7.50. Yeah, because $8 would be 75% off, so a little over, about 80% off. How about that? How about that? Yeah, okay. $7.50 for these. Let me set these back up. Alrighty, let's look at these cutie beauties. Look how sweet these are. So pretty. And yep, they are marked LC on both. Look at the backs. Look how nice these are. These are very, very, very well made. Oh no, don't get twisted. Don't twist. Alright, I love these earrings. These are going to be, I'll do $4.50 on these. Yeah, these are beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Let's look at these. Look at these babies. The pattern is like LC as well, which I did not even realize at first, but they are also marked with the LC and a stone on the back. These have some weight to them, so if you're purchasing, know that. These are not super light earrings. If your ears are sensitive to that, just wanted to let you know. These are very, very nice. These I will also do for $4.50. And then for my non-pierced wearing ladies, we have some clip-ons. These are also marked LCI. These are just like new. Very well made. These are acrylic, so they're nice and light, but very pretty, very well made, very trendy. I love these. These are very nice. I will also do these for $4.50. How about that? Alrighty, let's look at our stand. Let's check out this baby. Look at that. This is it doubled. Yep, this is a good 18 inches. Very heavy, very well made, with these gold tone cabochons and black enameling with a rose gold metal. There is your LC tag, double-sided of course, and a lobster clasp. This is a heavy piece. Very nice, very well made, very cool. This one's going to be $7. And that, my friends, is a steal. And then let's look at this. How about that? We have, another of our double-sided tags. LC. Classy piece. Look at that. This is in like new condition. Great piece, very on trend, great for layering, great for every day. I will do this one for $5. How about that? Let's look at this with a faux, I would say, leather cord. Actually, I think this is real leather. What do you think? Well, the findings on it are lovely. It is capped nicely on both strands. It's got a lovely little extender with your LC on it, lobster clasp. This is the back, and the pendant is also marked with the LC. This is the front. Very sweet. Great everyday piece. I will do this one for $4. Yep. I shall do $4 on that, and I love this necklace. Look at this. Look at the bindings on this. Here is your tag. Whoops, if I can get my fat ass fingers out of the way. LCI. I love this style of necklace. This has square and circle spirals. Well, I guess the squares aren't really spirals, are they? Are they, Haley? No, they're not. Very cool. Very nice piece. That is, again, very well made. That is the length at its shortest. And you've got another 4-inch extender on there. This one is going to be $5.50. Yep, $5.50 for that one. Look at this. We've got a little tiger's eye dangler with our double-sided tag, and this lovely pendant. Very nice. This is a great piece. Great everyday wear, mix and match, good for everything. It does have a little bit of wear on it. I'm going to give it a good rub down, but even still, and only because of that, it will be $4. Otherwise, this one would have been $7. And let's do this one next. Ooh. Well, I say that, maybe we can't. Okay, look at this. This is a great everyday piece, but also a great layering bit. We've also got the little like tortoiseshell stone on here. That's interesting that they put like a, not colorful, I mean it's brown tones, but they put a colored stone with silver tone necklaces. This is very nice. Very, very well made. Well, it's Liz. She's a classy lady, you know. So this one is going to be $4.50. And then we can look at this one with our circles, squares, double-sided tag. This one has the stone on the tag. Oops, there you go. Look at this pretty piece. Very nice, classic, classy, everyday wear. This is in great condition. It's got nice large links. Great piece. This one I will do for $5. And finally, this one, which again, super sweet and super simple, but one of my faves. It's so pretty, and the stone on the bottom is so sparkly. Here is our tag. LC. It's, look at the findings on this. There's tons of little detail. The chain on it is lovely. This is the back of the pendant. Very nice. This is a great piece. This one, oh, I want to do 7 on this one. I'll do $5.50. Yeah, I'll do $5.50 on it. And that, my friends, is the end of our Liz lot. What do you think? I bid on a whole bunch. Well, I think there was probably like 8 different brands that I bid on. And I won the Liz, which I think I'm happy with. I mean, I think there's everything is great. Tons of great pieces. I paid for 44. I got 52. Almost all of them are in perfect condition. There are 2, 3 that maybe needed a little bit of work, but not much. And like in part 1, you can see a lot of the freebies are some of my favorite pieces. So if you missed part 1, go back and check it out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Email me if you are interested in anything, or if you have any questions about an item. I am happy to answer. And yes, thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you all soon. Bye.